This is about our dog called Salene, but I call her Boy Me Boy. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Look at her face up here. Look at her. Look at her face.
What are you doing?
See, isn't she so cute?
Hey,
Danny, stop humping. Ah.
Ready?
Let's make a look blend.
Ah.
Videos on there?
See, look
Hey.
at her.
So we're going to do that today.
Salene,
Let's see how many feet
let's
of
dance.
toes you can blend with that toe blend.
Look at her.
Drew, that's the place that's kind of like, what?
Sniff the camera. That's our dog. Hey, guess what, Salene? Salene, sit. Sit.
Sit.
Alright, well, I guess she doesn't sit.
You can sit. Sit.
Hey!
I guess she doesn't sit. Oh, okay, let's go.
Ugly girl. Sit.
Yes,
Sit.
What? Okay, you can stop now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, she punched you. Oh, she knocked you out.